In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Shopify store link to TikTok bio. To get started, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use any browser you normally prefer, such as Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Then go to tiktok.com. This will bring you to the TikTok main page, where you can access your profile and make changes. Once the site loads, you will want to sign in if you are not already signed in. Make sure you are using the correct TikTok account, since the bio link you add will be tied to that profile. After you are logged in, look toward the top right side of the screen for your profile icon. This icon is usually the easiest way to reach your personal profile settings quickly, so take a moment to locate it. Next, click your profile icon at the top right. When you do that, you should see a menu or a profile view open. From there, click View Profile. This step matters because it takes you to the exact page where your bio and profile details appear, so you can edit the correct information for your account. After you are on your profile page, you will now switch into editing mode. Find and click Edit Profile. On many screens, this button is near the top portion of your profile, close to your bio area. When you select it, TikTok will open the fields you can update, including the option to add a website link. At this point, you are ready to add your Shopify store link. In the editing screen, look for the field labeled Website. This is the specific spot where TikTok allows you to display an external link in your bio. Click into the website field and then paste your public store link. If you are copying the link from your Shopify admin or browser address bar, make sure you paste the full URL so it works correctly for visitors. After pasting the link, take a quick moment to review it before saving. Make sure there are no missing characters and that the link appears exactly as intended in the website field. This small check can help avoid situations where the link does not open properly for your viewers. Now you will save your changes. To do this, click Save. The Save button is typically located at the bottom right of the Edit Profile screen. Click it once and wait for the page to update. This confirms that TikTok has stored your new website link and will show it in your bio. After saving, you can look at your profile again to confirm the link appears where it should. When viewers visit your profile, they will be able to see the website entry and click through to your Shopify store. If you do not see it immediately, give it a few seconds, since some profile elements may take a moment to refresh. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.